Hello dear students, hope you all are staying at home and doing well. Today in this class we are going to read some quotable quotes and know about the writers. Here are some questions. There are 8 questions in your book and each question has 3 options. And from 3 options we have to choose one option, one correct option. Okay? So the first phrase is a thing of beauty is a joy forever. It is a poem written by John Keats. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increases. It will never. The phrase means a beautiful object, natural or artificial, makes a person happy for a long time, even if its beauty fades. It is always a source of happiness and enjoyment. Beauty has the power to remove darkness and negativity. The beauty never fades away. So it is a very beautiful line by John Keats. And number 2, the phrase is patriotism is the refuge of a scoundrel. It is said by Samuelson. It means that any crime and any misbehavior was treated as long as it was committed by one who kept shouting that he loved his country. So this is a very heart-touching phrase written by Samuelson. In number 3, beauty is truth, truth is beauty. This phrase is a beautiful phrase written by John Keats again. It means that the real beauty of a thing lies on its permanence and that there is only one ultimate beauty in the world is truth which never perished. Okay? Which never perished means vanished. In number 4, nature never did betray the heart that loved her. It was said by William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth, one of the greatest English romantic poets, is probably known for his love of nature. For him, nature is a storehouse of joy and pleasure. And number 5, give us good mothers and I shall give you good nation. It was said by Napoleon Bonaparte. This quote refers to the importance of women education. Napoleon Bonaparte believed that an educated mother has the capacity to educate her child. Educating the child creates a better citizen for a nation, and such nation will be honored to have such mother. And in number 6, frailty, thy name is woman, was said by William Shakespeare. So this is a phrase of a play named Hamlet. So Hamlet is a very famous novel. It is a very famous play written by William Shakespeare. So actually Hamlet was the Prince of Denmark and it is a tragedy play also. Hamlet was the Prince of Denmark and the name of the play was Hamlet also. It is written by William Shakespeare. This proverb is taken to mean that women are weaker than men. Okay? Women are not strong than men. Sadness by the death of his father and hasty marriage of his mother, Hamlet wants to die himself. Okay? To Hamlet's mind, women represent frailty. Frailty means breakable, weak in nature. Okay. And in number 7, the child is the father of man. It is said by Wordsworth. The phrase child is the father of man essay comes from William Wordsworth's poem My Heart Leaps Up. It proves people लोगों की मतलब people's personalities from when they are children. It expresses the idea that the character, okay, that we form as children stays with us into our adult life. And number 8, the phrase is fools rush in where angels fear to tread. Is a quote by Pope. The line for fools rush in where angels fear to tread was written by Alexander Pope. The phrase alludes to inexperienced or rash people attempting things that more experienced people avoid. Okay, and Alexander Pope was the English poet. He's a very famous English poet. So student, I hope you all understood very well these questions, these phrases. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet again with a new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care, stay happy, stay safe.